get the face I've been they give my producer just so they beg and make you know capture that face. You know, say if you go on top of Twitter or on top of Instagram, make you see our rishi picture.
But that face fine if for I like
bad belly.
For national TV, make I do that kind of face.
Yes, you know, say you go trend, you go trend.
They go put on Instagram.
Make I just
Trend.
Your market go sell.
Now you gonna know who like you and who don't like you.
Say her Betiana.
You said
Beautiful smile, such a beautiful smile.
All right, so my people, now good afternoon. Yes, so we don't come today. Will be Wednesday, the 11th day on top of March.
Funny.
The month they count down. I know say some people they happy say they get a lot and all that, but hey,
I don't get a lot. God win.
Yeah, so my people, we don't come on top of talk again today, and today now family matter now we dey discuss. What thing don't happen to your family all through the week? What thing don't happen to your friends and their family all through the week? What thing happen to your neighbor we get family all through the week? Today on top of talk now family matter now we dey talk about. So you got to go body with us. Yeah, so from now until 3 o'clock, ganchious afternoon. Yes, where we did so. Now we'll go for take end the matter because you self get opportunate. Where you go put your mouth, check your leg, check your eye, check your ear, put on for TV, put your eye for TV, then put your hand on top of Twitter, put your hand again on top of Facebook. On top of this afternoon, I shall introduce my name to you. My own name, my able, the queeness of them all. Queen B of Wazobia TV. Queen B of
Abalo. Yeah, so my name still remains Betiana Unweli. Ewoloroka Kaire Cherane. Ojoko Adua. Yes, now so with a great time for my hometown, Ebu, Delta State of Nigeria. Yes, I am gingered in the native style.
I see your combo. Your combo is a native something.
My own name na Bernard. Handle everything. Handleable. Oh, Joko. Betiana Ojoko. Emi Ojoko.
Oh, stand up.
I don't want to. Oh, stand up. Oh, Joko. But now she's sabi. I don't
think the people from my hometown now then go they laugh you because that Ojoko where I talk now as we they take greet people. If you be female then go tell you Odua. Then the male then go say Ojoko. Not be Yoruba they speak. Hello.
I don't think
Yoruba.
Ebu.
But it sounds Yoruba.
Shout out to all my people all around Nigeria.
Poker.
Welcome.
Never end you.
Hello.
My name na Maka Okujafo. Good afternoon, no jare. You have na class with the book at the go.
Amaka, no Joko.
I stand up.
All right, so my people, we don't enter. Yes, on top of our stories where they trend, we get stories we'll go bring to you. We get 4 stories. Then we get, but the kajad, we also get our ganchious guests. We go enter inside the studio, join body with us, talk as it take be for her own industry matter. Then from there, we they go on top of Cocoa of the day, and also we go read your tweet when time don't reach. This afternoon, I am ready to send you all the news about family today. Waiting they happen for town. Waiting they make some people laugh, and the other one where they make some people they cry. My people, when I don't ready to talk.
Yes, so
Betiana is ready. Amaka no talk. Akede is
Yeah,
ready.
the wait you ask me.
Okay, Amaka.
Oh my darling.
Sweetie. My jiggy
Oh my God. Oh,
are you ready to talk?
Oh, child. Yeah. Oh, before encore. Yes.
See as they do. They go don't deceive you when we're on Valentine's Day. You don't see all the as they roll the hand.
Leave me alone. All right, so my people make I bring you the first story this afternoon. Hi, what's in the happen, Grandpa? We see what's in pass on. Now I'm bringing matter come outside. This one a 72-year-old husband. We don't go Igondo community, customary high court. Don't go beg them. Say, I beg go, make una help me, make una save my life. But they don't come help them. Now make them bring, I beg, thank you letter to them. What thing happen? Now what thing happen? Now I want bring out soon. This one are Olaiwola Ajayi, where they stay for Igondo. They say this one a civil servant indoor retire, but now 72-year-old man. What thing happen to Olaiwola? Olaiwola talk say in wife don't turn him to punching bag every day. Now in wife they beat him. He say wetin company apart from the beating the woman, she dey starve am well because he gets partial blindness. So he gets something so he dey fit do for himself, and he gets something so he know dey fit do for himself. And also he talk say in suspect say the woman they go outside, they go touch lights people for outside because she know say he no go fit take care of his own self. As they come ask the woman for court, the 42-year-old woman, Isuwa, she denied all the allegations. She say, lie, yo, all these things where this old baba they talk, where be my husband. Say, bano, nothing like that. It no happen like that. But the only thing where I go talk be say, you know, they agree to touch light me, and I see they active.
Let's say, make the man
So I ask say, if say, touch lighting, because I live for language I want use. Touch lighting. Go make you the flog your partner. If you
why do you think they talk Tori could be
I don't
like
understand.
this? Now, wow.
Why you? Because she not talk say, oh, okay, we dey quarrel because of this one. She said no, but her own reason be say, you know, they touch light her. And she still there. Now her reason be that. So that means
she beat him.
She got a plug her because
No, see, this matter. You know, say actually we've been treating on top the morning show. I think yesterday, and that they look the whole issue. Me, I don't do my own calculations. You go, the man has 72 years. So if you do your calculation very well, then say they don't they married for about 20 years or something, and the woman are 40. Now I mean say the man be 52 when they married the girl at the age of 20.
Yes.
And of course, then say when woman don't they reach 30, 40 years. Now that time, now in their body they kakaraka for some 18s, then they always find them. And man when they like 70, 80, they enter 80. You know, say as the body strong when he did 50, no be as the body goes strong when he did 70. So that fits the part of the reason. And at the same time, the man they complain say, the woman they cheat on them, the woman they come out house, they do plenty nonsense things where she not supposed they do. Now why he wants divorce? But at the same time, the woman where they talk say her husband no they so me with them. Now she they say me they no divorce and will say divorce them. Say she still love the man. So you gonna say the story gets K-leg because you know just tally. If you say person no they do you right and the whole situation not tally with you, you know go still they say. I don't believe that she go still say I love him, leave me there. It gets some kind of things where then still they hide for inside the story. The man himself, he get waiting they hide because for that same story, she say she see the man come out with towel one day from their tenant's house. Entirely towel for ways they
and
come
the man
out.
was saying blind. Maybe he missing road.
No,
from
it's not a partial blind.
All they are informate. They are informate. It not straight.
They get within
It not straight. It gets another thing where they make them one separate, one divorce, and they never talk and come outside.
But the man don't divorce the woman now.
But me, I not go say the woman they wicked.
Why?
Eh?
So they beat your husband.
why you gonna beat your husband?
See, I say another thing they inside. No be the reason.
No matter wetin dey inside.
Why you
Wetin
go
go
dey
make
beat
you
your
dey beat
husband?
your husband?
Because we they also fight against say make man no
dey
move
beat
woman.
woman.
So again,
You
men
know
when
they
women
right,
dey-
but like the same thing when men go talk say the woman overstep her boundary or one thing.
maybe the
The
man
man
step
overstep her
her
boundary. Yes.
Oh boy,
Really?
Yes.
Kere lorúkọ
In
ẹ̀.
fact, this one we dey even talk now. You just carry me back enter yesterday. You know say they say the man go enter now only that
beat
stop.
man?
No, nah, the why? I feel beat man. I dey very harmless.
No.
Harmless as a fly.
Even snail self, you know, fit
I no
touch.
fit kill fly. So that yesterday story where we talk, where they talk say the man go carry him third leg, put inside fire. Now the man say that the woman cause him because of this same sumi things.
Yes.
Now this one again don't come to say the woman they beat him. It's got up sumi
things.
things. Something there. No be just that
No.
one.
Maybe I think maybe the men don't feel say okay, they don't come pay attention to women. What's happen? Everything
So
women.
then they stick at
Okay,
the
now
find-
may we self start to dey talk. May people start to dey think about us.
At
Well,
72.
this
we get man for here.
This no wait now what bounce me. This somiye when they talk says like when I think I sing somiye things. I can go somiye things. Anyway, I just want before I talk, I will just advertisement myself for our family with the active till we 95. So for those of us waiting say at 72, somiye things. No, they want again. Hello, there is a place for our side where till 95 somiye still the somiye. But the truth of the matter is, say, first of all, I don't see any no reason day whether the man so me or I mean no yemi so no reason day where woman go they beat a husband. It is not allowed. It is not permitted. As we dey talk say make man, they say na what they call that domestic violence. As we don't talk say make man no they engage in domestic violence. The same thing make woman to not try am. Now I agree with Betiana say they get within they still get Coco still inside this matter where they never come outside control.
Okay.
Then secondly say the man say he get partial blindness. Now, if he say the way me have been see the story when I've been read them, the thing we have been look, we say they go get some things where they get as
Annoying to say they do the woman.
As we say the man no fit help himself do certain things. The thing don't annoy the woman say the workload which they do done too much, so she no just send the guy again. And the thing they vex am. And onto that matter, he still enter somiye. The truth be say they get as you will like person rich. Where we say no matter what happen, una go touch light each other join body. But they get that you no go like person wey be say nothing wey the person do, you no go one near am. You no go even want follow and lie down for the same bed. So if the way I dey say am, say that partial blindness dey inside. Other things too, say maybe you no fit help himself, if the waka go somewhere, go for they always need the woman to help am, and the woman no come to get time for her own self. Fit dey vex the woman join body, you know. So all those things put together, fit be waiting the work, you know, waiting the cause of this wahala. But still on still. More cocoa inside this matter.
You know, say on top of this show now, we don't ever talk about say marrying older people.
Yes.
You understand? As a young girl of 20, we first go marry person we don't reach 17. What thing you they expect go happen tomorrow? The man went on to Benjamin Button, work on the young.
But you
know, so they get the time when somebody asks me, say, "Are you Benjamin Button?" I just the young they go. No, true. Mr. Producer, look my face. Look up.
When the woman knows say the person which they marry no be Farrell.
Yes.
She can't expect it.
You know, Farrell,
You
Bernard.
know this thing when you talk. So I just remember one film, no be film, when a court case where we watch. The man they very advanced, like 50 or so. The girl they probably in her 30s or thereabout. They carry the case go course. They go court. I mean, they carry the case go court. Now they reach the court. Don't be Nigeria, sha. Nigeria. When they carry the case go court, now the judge called they ask the man where the man give you an opinion. Waiting happen. The man just talk. Say the woman they do this, the woman they do that. When the girl start her own, the girl starts. He doesn't do it. He doesn't do it anymore. He doesn't like it anymore. He doesn't. When I tell him to do it, he doesn't do it anymore. He says he's tired. He comes back from work. He sits down. I'm like, oh boy, this kind of matter.
Annoyance.
Yes, she pour him out.
That matter na serious matter inside family. You know.
Yeah. You see, you don't get to me. I know if you say get time where you need to retire when it comes to Sumiye with your family, but as a young girl, she no expect say the man go actually be active. And again, it can't get blindness. Then again, if you can't beat the man, fear alone no go let the man one near you. You understand? That one now another excuse for the man. When you they beat and they punish and they starve him, you come out, say you they go night vigil. You know, keep food for him, you come back.
If I hear.
All right, so my people will come up to the next story because if I see dwell on this matter today, we go talk about over.
Yes.
Because anyway where you look this one as she they at fault because now waiting the man person where first go police station now in the win matter sometimes. And the team be like say favor the man because now thank you letter 9 right to the court.
Maybe because don't mind another wife give him.
All right, so we then move to China. I don't know why Asian countries don't they trend.
In fact, they trend for the past 2 weeks.
So many,
for the past 1 month.
1 month. They get so many badness where they, I don't know.
Maybe bad everything at China, we see they go there.
Yes,
they go
because
there again now.
maybe the people don't get more freedom to actually pass more information outside because they very themselves.
They don't get Android phone now. Why everything they enter inside?
China don't discover. Yeah, it's true. All right, what's happen for China?
You go China.
What's happen for China?
I know that's stuff. You go China.
I don't mind though. I'll go buy market. Come.
Which kind prayer is that one?
To go China no easy, my sister. And I'm actually
You go China. You go follow and go.
All right, number 2 story. This one, a 24-year-old for China. Her name is Zhang Hai.
No bite tongue, we understand.
Zhang Hai, a 24-year-old for China. What happened as at when she did 18 years old, now her parents don't lock her for inside one, what did they call them? Basement for their house. Basement, that's extra apartment we wanna get for us. We be saying now things. For here we go call them store. Yeah, store now we go call them for. I they look for the pigeon word actually. Store they lock her since she don't date 18 years old and now she did 24 years old. What's happen? Then talk say they don't like the guy where she did dates. Na reason for them be that. And according to the story what we hear, then according to the villagers and talk say the girl parents they actually influential for the community. That's now people way strong. When be saying they talk something, but the only way them go do to stop the girl from following the boy, not to lock her for inside store. And when people ask about the girl, they talk say the girl mental problem. That's why they lock her inside that place. Then he can't get 150-year-old villager where they always come the place as in come visit people where they sick like that. He can notice say, no, this girl actually know they sick. And this man, what's in the bathroom be say, they come there for 6 years, they always go there, go check the girl for 6 years. Only this year, now the man decides, say, you know what, I shall speak out. I won't let people know what's in they happen to this girl. parents wey born pikin, we dey talk about family because if una no know today Wednesday na actually our family day. That's why the whole matter wey dey bring to una today na actually families, either husband, wife, parents, and whoever you be. In as much as you get one person who like they share blood, and again they talk say family na by blood. No, okay, relation na by blood, then family na by love or something. You get one saying like that, yeah. So what do you want to think about this one? It actually dey alright because this thing no dey only happen for China. Maybe the Nigerian parents go take them the other way because you go sharp past that level. You feel say it dey enough for family to decide who to marry. I know say Indians now they are
because
they are work
China, you know like the place where you're picking one man, you look up for 6 years. Come Nigeria, come see who's you're picking the date. You go look up forever. And they tell you, they get some people you go see where they're picking the date. You go come they do you.
you know go one quarrel. You want beg am.
You know say if you know VC, make I help you find person. But the truth be saying, it not supposed to be like that. Parents not supposed to choose who they are picking go date. When do we say you're picking now, what they call a retard. When do we say you're picking now, mumu. They get waiting person they see in, and they tell you. They get waiting people they see in other people where they did them. Gone are the days. I mean, they argue this thing one time. They say, say they get one baba with the follow talk, and the man sabi argue. The man they argue. They always respect the man. No, they talk. But on top of this matter, when it comes to woman matter, they always talk very well. So when it comes this matter,
you know, say we keep quiet, they look.
You know, when I suppose write book. So when it comes this matter, I can't argue. I go tell you why I argue with the man. Now the man they talk say. Back in the day, say our grandparents, our old parents, the man could just they could just carry wife. He never meet her before. Carry wife, can't give her, and they go live happily ever after. Now I tell the man say, Baba, now allow you talk. The man say, they don't talk to old man talk. I say sorry, but I can't say sorry, but Baba, what you say is incorrect.
What's the difference?
English, you different.
For English, they sound different, but pidgin they very disrespectful.
I go quickly talk this one because the thing we say back in the days, those young ladies they don't get choice at all.
Once they know they happy.
Stay, yes, but they don't fit talk. You carry small girl of 15, give baba of 35. Say you don't bring wife, yes. And I no go lie you, this thing, that's something where I don't see with my own eye. Even my grandmother, she specialized in that thing. Recently, my mother, I tell you, my mother tell her, say, make she stop and say, life don't change. My grandmother growing up been telling us her own story.
Actually, people still they do until tomorrow.
She tell us her own story. Now, imagine, say, your daughter just see her period. First time. My grandmother said, now for her husband's house, now she see her first period.
Yeah.
So you imagine how old she for be or how young she for be by that time. So on to say, you know they work like that. No use that one say as excuse say before. They work before. No be so. They work before, but they no fit talk out. Now make we know say you know they work. But now as a parent, you did there to guide your pikin. Your pikin bring person, call the person, sit down with love, talk to the person, know as the person take be. If my mother say if you pursue your pikin friend, you don't make mistake because you know who they carry come. Invite the person come inside, make you know him. Know what the person they do, know who him be. When the person don't go, then sit your picking nothing and say, oh boy, oh girl, this one way they carry now complete no. Or oh boy, oh girl, it dey okay, but your time never reach.
Yes,
but
I agree.
This one way you don't do now, where they lock the girl up. They never really 2 wrongs don't make it right. They never do better for the picking. So.
Actually, now she go come they mad.
Yes, because eventually after this, now where I believe that they don't release the girl. If the girl now go outside, you just say she go believe anything where her parents tell her. She not will get confidence in them at all again. Anybody where she see whether the person not thief or whether not anything, she go. She not go let them know.
You know, say Ben I just sum up. Of left, right, center of the whole gist.
He said when it comes to woman matter, he's separate.
I handle it well. Okay, so basically, I could just make it very simple. Short. The girl when they lock up, truly for Nigeria, I should say they pass lock up what they do. They know they do a physical lock up, na emotional lock up. Now they do. But we are serious, now honestly, because we know say then get as they go take the girl say see the man where they follow, say this make sure you follow this man, make the man get money, make the man get car. Betty no go tell you, we no go give you confusion for head. That will never be okay to lock you up.
I tell you.
So if they say they lock the girl up, you know they're all right too. I could just say they do it everywhere. But it don't just make sense. It don't make sense. If the girl won't marry, allow the girl.
Like Bernard don't talk. Bernard say things don't change from those days to these days. Even we don't see and say before that they use pistol and mortar pound yam. Now na yam pounder.
Yam pounder.
Everything don't change. Things they move to the permanent
use
side.
blender.
People they people they no be grinding machine again and
Yeah,
blender they
You
use.
no get
So
money
different
for-
things. If you can't say okay because say you're picking the follow boy or girl where you know like you can't lock them up, can't say she get mental problem. Who you they do? Because at the end of the day you lock picking for that many number of years for inside one place. She go eventually mad the mad
Yes,
the way you
that
they say
time
she
when
don't
she
mad.
no get, she go
And by the time when she come out, a lot of things go don't change. A lot of things don't change around her peers, her mates, all of them don't change. Their mentality don't change, but she go still there where she did because for the past 6 years she not associated with anybody. And they tell you say that person where you say you know like we make you lock him. After that one, she go come with the worst person.
Yes,
The one way worse past the one where you even
Where you lock am
the
from.
para
Yes,
for say this one I know like that will not be the. But I get friend where we say her mama go tell them say see if they bring anybody come this house if you no get car no one see him. Anybody where use like this Benz come this house and no one see you with the person. And not be like when the girl tell me be like say how far your mama go talk that. If I did her house with one jeep. Come find her, then mama give her thumbs up. Say, now
Yeah.
Maka people, Igbo woman. Give her thumbs up. Say, well done.
All right, so, but
So-
Sienna, you don't really put Ben, I don't actually crown the
He
whole
saw
thing
man.
for me and all that. All right, so my people, they rush, go break, we won't pay some bills, so they come back with the rest story.
Hey.